तो जी अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ से इधर। अभी आए थे हम ये पीछे गाड़ी से भाई के साथ, और अभी हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से इस तरफ। ये दुबई हिल्स का एरिया है। अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन आप देख सकते हैं, कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह चल रही है सामने। तो अभी हम आए हैं दुबई हिल्स की तरफ, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। नाउ वी आर हियर in with another vlog, so let's explore the area. It looks beautiful and amazing. You can see the trees around. The work is going on. The new buildings are going to be carried out. So as you can see, it's very nice. It feels a the different vibe. You can feel a different vibe in this area. You can see behind me is all the straight way. You can see all the trees are being planted, and there are the lights in the night. I think these lights will be open and brings a different view of this entire place. But at the moment it's still sun is high. The weather is amazing today. As you can see, Dubai Hills Mall, that area. Okay, people are going on. The construction is going on. I think that the mall, they're constructing the mall. And this is a taxi for Dubai. And the delivery service that deliver. And as we can see behind, you will feel like you are in a Europe, bro. The Europe is here by itself. People leave the Europe and coming to Dubai, and then as you can see, everything around is a different view. It is my first time to be here in this area. Let's have a look. You can even sit around. There's some dustbin area. There are some restaurants around. I think this is a tea shop here. The interior, I don't know. I'm actually expecting to have a cup of tea. So let's check if we can find one of the tea shop here. I think there are some riders sitting over there. It is possible there will be a cafeteria, so I'm going to see them, and here I can show you something around here. I see one of the place that you can see the instructions from this road, the Dubai Hills. Okay, as you can see, the Dubai Hills Mall. The mall is just behind this road. When we come out from this place, you can see the mall is just here, and the signal. Before we go another place, I have to take a cup of tea, and as I can see, there are some people sitting, the riders especially. So that means there should be in a cafeteria, so that they can have some tea or something, a coffee, a bread of biscuits. So let's see. I believe there will be something for sure, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out here. Bro, where can I get a tea? Where can I get a cup of tea? Is there any cafeteria?
Yeah, there's no cafeteria. This is
In this area, even know?
You can try this Pips.
Where?
Pips. Here.
Is a cafeteria. Where are you from?
Ghana.
Ghana. Nice to meet you, brother.
You can try the...
I'm making video YouTube. You will be viral one day. Okay. Have a lovely day. इधर चाय शाय की कहाँ है सर? सब चाय पीनी हो तो कहाँ पी सकते हैं? ये कोने वाला? कोने वाला? हाँ, आपको पिलाएं? आ जाओ कसम से। चलो शुक्रिया। So ये है जी दुबई हिल्स का एरिया। इससे पहले हम जाएं, I think we will have to take some cup of coffee or tea. While I woke up, I didn't take it when I arrived outside. The car lift was out, so I could not wait more. I just come, and now I'm here. Oh, the lovely place. These restaurants I can see, but I think possibility they are a little high expensive, so maybe. Oh, he sent me here to take a cup of coffee in Starbucks. He sent me to the coffee shop. Starbucks coffee shop. Bro, are you kidding me? The Starbucks, I believe that will cost me 26 dirham. At 25 dirham a cup of coffee. But I'm not even looking for the coffee. I'm looking for the karak chai. I asked him karak chai and then he sent me this guy. But I believe I should follow the African guy from the Ghana. He told me that if I'm going this place, there is possible the cafeteria. So let's have a look. Maybe I can get a cup of coffee this place. So as you can see on the top, there's a bird sitting and the light. Okay, he's not flying. He's not scared that people will attack him or something, but he's looking at me. Rims, I think this is a cafeteria over here. Let's take a cup of chai. Yeah. Oh, Rims is the specialty with the coffee, ice cream. But they don't have a karak. Let's have a look inside. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, there's nobody around here. Let's check over here. I don't see anyone here. Hello, miss. Where can I get a chai? Karak chai.
Taxi?
Karak chai.
Karak chai?
I go this way. That one
They
guy
said
sent me.
this- yeah,
But
this-
this is Starbucks.
No, they said there is a Indian restaurant, a
Where?
small restaurant there. That time, I don't know where.
Then I think I will reach my home. One guy sent me over here, but I reached there. But
There is no
yeah, where are you from?
Philippines.
I make actually video for YouTube. Maybe you will become a viral one day. People come to ask you, hey,
Popular
miss.
vlogger.
Yeah, one day. Nothing comes quickly, right?
Take video with
Yes.
us.
Which one?
Or ice cream.
Your ice cream. I will show ice cream. Huh? Which one is it? Ah,
Our company.
yeah. Get it, bro. As you can see, there's so many varieties of sweet. Some cookies, some ice cream with so many flavors. I think these are sugar free. And also there are some more, as you can see. Wow. Good to see you, Miss. I used to say subscribe my channel, huh? Have a lovely day. See you another day. Thank you very much. She's from Philippines, and now we are going out from this place. Here you go, guys. We are finally out because we could not get a cup of karak chai. The rims, well, the guy is alright, but I don't see the anything. So it's better I will walk around just to the mall, and then we will find out there. I think that we can get the chai, but at the moment we have to just go inside, have a look how it is. I need to meet my friend, he's waiting for me. So let's have a look. This area is amazing. The weather is a little windy, but I think it's fine. It's lovely. It's not much hot. It's a little windy, and it's better. Like you can walk around. Last time I come to my friend here, usually when I enter inside, we just directly go to the entrance, and at this time I'm coming from different sides, so I'm using a car lift here. This car lift, actually, I will even explain how it works. So actually they charge at a fixed amount, depends on your location and the place, and after that they give you a pick and drop, pick from your house area and drop you in the location that you want to go work. Usually the people working here in UAE, they are using this facility. Oh, it's closed, but people is still crossing. The signal is closed, but it's still cross. Yeah, I was thinking. See, they are crossing. We should cross also, or we should wait.
I'm just gonna follow.
It's better to wait. No, it's coming to the left. Yeah, it's not much busy. People can cross, but ooh la la. सिग्नल पे वेट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद क्रॉस करेंगे तो भी जाएंगे आगे की तरफ। दुबई हिल्स के पास हम पहुंच चुके हैं। Why? Yeah, it's finally open। और ये देखने हम लोग आ गए हैं जी, यहाँ से क्रॉस करेंगे। सिग्नल हमारा ओपन है और लोग ये रुके हुए हैं, इस तरह से वेट कर रहे हैं अपनी बारी का, और हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से। Today was my first day in this area, like a second time, but this area is of course new for me. This was very nice area, you can see around. It's lovely with these shops, with the trees, surroundings. I think the people working here, they are all using this door to enter in this mall. So I don't see the clients from this place, only the people I see. I think they are only the one working in the mall. They use this side because the car lift, he dropped me right over there on the signal. Just as you can see there, I've been walking from this place to this area. So there you go. As you there are some scooters you can use it. There's an application, once you download it you can use them. And these are the lights. I was thinking was that, but it's lights. And this is a security camera right here. And these are the trees. You can see the trees. The area is nice. There you can see even more restaurant here outside this area. Breakfast. So see you guys in the next video. I'm here in the entrance of this mall. So later we will continue with another vlog. So we will end this here because it's getting already big enough surrounding. So just I will make another video for you. So keep subscribe my channel and like and hit that button and leave the comments. If you want to know more about the places, you can send me a comment and we will try to make a video on it. So here we are. Indian kitchen, Zafran kitchen. This area is nice. And this is the entrance of the mall. We are already here. So see you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.